Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Venmo. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay back debts, or just send someone a little cash. But what countries is Venmo available in? Answer: Venmo is available in the United States, Canada, Puerto Rico, and the United Kingdom. Additional information. Here are some additional things you should know about Venmo. You can use Venmo to send and receive money from anyone, even if they don't have a Venmo account. You can link your bank account or credit card to your Venmo account. You can use Venmo to pay for things online and in-store. Venmo is free to use. How to use Venmo. Here's how to use Venmo. Download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create a Venmo account. Link your bank account or credit card to your Venmo account. Add friends and family to your Venmo contacts. Send or receive money using the Venmo app. Benefits of using Venmo. There are a number of benefits to using Venmo. It's easy to use. It's free to use. It's safe and secure. It's a great way to split bills, pay back debts, or just send someone a little cash. Drawbacks of using Venmo. There are also a few drawbacks to using Venmo. It's only available in a few countries. You can only use it to send and receive money from individuals. You can't use it to pay for certain things, such as rent or mortgage payments. Overall, Venmo is a great way to send and receive money from friends and family. It's easy to use, free to use, and safe and secure. If you're looking for a convenient way to manage your finances, Venmo is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Venmo, I encourage you to check out their website or download the app. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about Venmo. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.